In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-cell charts with Sparkline in Google Sheets. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once the home page loads, look under the section that says Start a new spreadsheet and click on Blank Spreadsheet to create a fresh, empty file. If the table's side panel happens to open on the right side of your screen, just click the Close button in the top right of that panel so it gets out of the way. Now, look at the top left of the title bar and click on the words Untitled Spreadsheet. The text will become editable, so go ahead and type a name for your file, then press Enter to save it. Next, we need to add some sample data to work with. Click cell A1 in the sheet grid to make sure your cursor is in the right starting position. Now paste the KPI table into the sheet. You can find this table in the pinned comment below, so feel free to copy it from there and paste it directly into your spreadsheet. Once it's pasted, take a moment to confirm that the table fills columns A through K and that you have blank chart columns sitting under the headers, line trend, column view, and progress bar. Now we'll create our first Sparkline. Click cell H2, which sits right under the line trend header. Type the default Sparkline formula into that cell, then press Enter. A small line chart should now appear inside cell H2, drawn from the numbers in that same row. Next, let's add a styled column Sparkline. Click cell I2, which is under the column view header. Type the column Sparkline formula into the cell. Again, you can copy this formula directly from the pinned comment to make things easier. Once the formula is entered, press Enter. You should now see a mini column chart appear inside cell I2, with the tallest column highlighted in green to mark the highest value. Now we'll build a progress bar Sparkline. Click cell K2, which sits under the progress bar header. Type the bar Sparkline formula into the cell, and remember, this formula is also available in the pinned comment if you want to copy and paste it. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. A green progress bar should appear inside cell K2, comparing the June value in that row against the goal value stored in cell J2. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's fill these in-cell charts down the rest of the table so every KPI row gets its own mini chart. Click cell H2 to select it. Look at the bottom right corner of the cell, where you'll see a small fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle straight down to cell H5, and Google Sheets will copy the line Sparkline into each of those cells. Repeat that same action for the column chart. Click cell I2, grab the fill handle at the bottom right corner, and drag it down to cell I5. Each row will now display its own mini column chart. Now do the same thing one more time for the progress bar. Click cell K2, find the fill handle at the bottom right, and drag it down to cell K5. The progress bar Sparkline will now appear in every row of that column. Take a moment to confirm that each KPI row in your table now has 3 different visual indicators: a line trend, a column view, and a progress bar, all sitting neatly inside their own cells. And that's the final result. Your sheet should now display the sample KPI table with 3 in-cell chart columns. The line trend column shows a default line Sparkline. The column view column shows a styled column Sparkline with the highest value highlighted in green, and the progress bar column shows a green progress bar Sparkline. Each mini chart lives inside its own spreadsheet cell, and every chart updates automatically based on the numbers in the same row, so your data and visuals always stay perfectly in sync.